Did you know there once roamed a giant ape standing nearly 10 feet tall and weighing up to 600 pounds? No, this isn't the stuff of legends or a scene out of a King Kong movie, but factual history. This colossal creature is known as the Gigantopithecus. The story of Gigantopithecus begins millions of years ago, in the early to middle Pleistocene. Discovered in southern China, this giant ape also left its mark in Thailand, Vietnam, and Indonesia. The first hint of its existence came in 1935, when anthropologist Ralph von Koenigswald found 2/3 molar teeth in a drugstore, sold as dragon teeth. Over the next 2 decades, more teeth and the first mandible of the species were unearthed, painting a clearer picture of this awe-inspiring creature. Despite the lack of skeletal remains due to the destructive habits of porcupines, the available teeth and mandibles pointed to a creature of immense size and strength. Once believed to be a hominin, or a member of the human line, recent findings now align Gigantopithecus more closely with orangutans. Fast forward to 2024, and the mystery of the giant ape, particularly its extinction, continues to be a hot topic in the field of paleontology. The heroes of the story, Zhang and Kira Westaway and their team, have been working tirelessly to piece together the timeline of the Gigantopithecus, using 6 dating techniques and analyzing samples from 22 caves across southern China. Their findings published in Nature. They described that the ape thrived in the closed canopy forests, feasting on a diet of C3 plants, fruits, and flowers. However, as the climate began to shift around 600,000 years ago, the Gigantopithecus faced a struggle for survival. The lush forests gave way to open forests and grasslands. They calculated the extinction window between 295,000 and 215,000 years ago. Unlike their orangutan relatives, who adapted to the changing environment with a diverse diet, Gigantopithecus switched to less nutritious food sources, leading to signs of chronic stress in their teeth. They applied trace element, stable isotope, and dental microwear textural analysis, DMTA, to the Gigantopithecus blacki and closest relative Pongo Weidenreichi teeth to determine any changes in the diet and behavior of G. blacki before and within the extinction window. The changing landscape and their enormous size, which once made them kings of the jungle, ultimately led to their downfall. Unlike the agile orangutans who could navigate the treetops, the ground-bound Gigantopithecus were confined and unable to adapt to the changing world around them. So, there you have it, the rise and fall of the Gigantopithecus, a giant ape that once roamed our planet. From its discovery in a drugstore in Hong Kong to the detailed research of dedicated scientists, the story of Gigantopithecus is a fascinating tale of evolution, adaptation, and ultimately, extinction. As we learn more about this incredible creature, we are reminded of the power of nature and the ever-changing world in which we live.